Hi, I'm Gwendolyn Lion.
And I'm Matthew Grutman, and we are the Lion Group at HomeSmart Encore. Today we are sharing some tips on home renovations and suggestions for projects to add value to your property.
Let's go over the basics. Potential buyers will expect that the roof is in good condition, the plumbing is working properly, and the air conditioner and water heater are up to date. We recommend you focus on these areas first. If you're considering a budget to fix your house, you want to make sure you've got the basics covered first.
According to Remodel magazine, siding replacements, roof replacements, and windows are all high on the list of renovations that increase the value of a home, returning 80% or more at resale.
Damage on a roof may be an easy fix or require an entire replacement. It's important to be aware that a roof's condition can have a dramatic effect on the value of your home. We recommend seeking the advice of multiple licensed professionals before making any major decisions about the remodel to your roof. A complete renovation can easily cost around $10,000.
Let's talk windows. Your home may have steel frame single pane windows or worn out vinyl windows. Replacing these windows will add value to your home and increase insulation efficiency, leading to a lower monthly energy bill. You can expect to pay $700 to $1,200 for each window replacement and $1,000 to $2,000 for sliding door replacements. The energy savings alone from replacing old windows can be $500 a year.
Once you've got the exterior in order, you can take a look inside the home at what may really add value and visual enhancement. A minor kitchen remodel, meaning $15,000 to $20,000, may bring over 90% return on investment, the highest return on any home remodel. Kitchens and baths are the most expensive areas of the home in terms of construction, and they're where people spend time in their homes. Remodeling these areas can make your home considerably more desirable to buyers.
If you're not ready to spend the money for a bathroom or kitchen remodel, there are less expensive options such as interior and exterior painting or removing undesirable popcorn ceilings. Painting is great because a lot of money can be saved by doing it yourself. Eliminate the labor cost.
While we're talking about return on investment, there are some renovations that are usually not worth it. Home renovations that are intended to increase square footage but are done without permits, they're not going to increase the value and they could affect your ability to sell it in the future. Be very careful when considering these types of renovations.
Before making any major investments to increase the value of your home, be sure to contact the Lion Group so we can help you research the value of other homes in your area to help you determine if a remodel is worth the price.
We hope you enjoyed our video and that you are excited for your upcoming remodels. We expect to be releasing more detailed videos on different projects and remodels you can do in your home. See you then!